Model turned actor Poonam Pandey, who married longtime partner Sam Bombay on 1st September this year, has filed a complaint against her husband accusing him of threatening and assaulting her. Sam has now been arrested by the police. Poonam Pandey, who's currently in Goa shooting for a film, has allegedly gone to the police station to file a complaint against her husband for assault and for threatening her, and has undergone the required medical tests for the same. Now, Poonam and Sam, who have been dating for over 2 years, recently got hitched and put out posts on social media announcing their union in front of close family and friends given the current pandemic situation. Here's the story. Unfortunately, it seems their relationship has faced a setback in less than a month of their wedding. According to reports, Poonam has filed a complaint at Canacona police station in Goa against Sam. According to an official at the police station, Pandey filed a complaint late Monday night claiming her husband Sam Bombay had molested her and threatened her with dire consequences after assaulting her. He was arrested. Poonam has also undergone necessary medical tests as per police procedure. Poonam and Sam had recently shared pictures from their low-key wedding, and Poonam had captioned a picture of the two of them in wedding finery and written, "Here's looking forward to 7 lifetimes with you." The couple was allegedly also living together for 2 years before they decided to tie the knot. The actor had shared photographs of the two of them from their various wedding ceremonies, including their feras and an earlier Mehndi function that the couple looked blissfully happy together in. In an interview with the newspaper, Poonam had called herself and Sam the most notorious couple, while declaring that the two had been instantly attracted to each other and that their love story had been like a Bollywood film. "Of course, I'm going to brag about my husband being the smartest on the planet according to me. Jokes apart, we are very similar in many ways. He is my best friend, and the amazing part is that we're so thick that we can read each other's minds." Poonam and Sam announced that they had gotten engaged on the 27th of July with a picture that showed them flaunting their rings. Sam had even captioned his post, "We finally did it." However, it seems now that things may have gone sour quickly between the couple, with Poonam filing a complaint against her husband and the police arresting Sam under serious charges. We hope that Poonam is safe and not seriously injured, and that an investigation into the case will shed light into what went wrong between the couple soon.